Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the car pack or DLC is owned and that your game is up to date. Without that, it won't appear. Once done, focus on reaching the required reputation threshold and bank balance so you can afford purchase. Grind nav events and street races to stack cash and rep quickly. Make sure to fast travel to a safe house, open the auto show immediately, and search the exotic/dealer section. This is where the Ferrari will appear once requirements are. Now you need efficient grinding. Run high payout night races and sanctioned events because they give better cash and rep per minute. Once done, use any 2x rep weekends, daily challenges, and sell duplicates to accelerate savings. Make sure to kit a cheap but reliable grinder car with handling and durability upgrades so you finish events cleanly and avoid restart losses. After meeting money and rep targets, double-check the auto show catalog. Sometimes the car becomes visible only after a restart or a new session. When the Ferrari appears, buy it straight away and then equip key performance parts to match your driving style, power upgrades, gearbox, and handling mods first. Once done, apply a visual kit and save a tuned setup so you can switch quickly between builds. If the car does not show up, make sure the DLC is installed, restart the game session, and verify game files. If problems persist, clear console or PC cache and try a fresh install. That usually resolves visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.